today I'm going to teach you how to replace optical drives, which are right here on my gateway home model. So first is you take the faceplate off. There's just two screws right here in which I already took them off. So let's take the faceplate off. Easy as cake when we take that off. So next is we find where our optical drives are which are right here. So we take a screwdriver, which is holding the optical drives in by 4 screws, and we take the screws out. Now you gotta be careful when you're doing this. You want to have an anti-static wrist strap, which in case I don't have one, but be safe or you'll get electrocuted. And now that we're getting the last of our screws out, now we can start unplugging our Now, as you can see in the back right here, now as we can see, it's connected by 40-pin connectors and Molex connectors. We're going to carefully unplug them so we don't rip anything, and our Molex connectors, and remember which one it goes on, and out comes our first optical drive, which is a DVD drive. Now we're going to take out the other one. And there you go. Here's our second optical drive out. Now we're going to put them back in. Remember where you put them in, or something might just go horribly wrong. As you can see here, here's our Molex connectors. Pretty much the same. You can just plug them either way. And as we start plugging them in, now we'll plug our 40-pin ribbon connector back in. It's a little difficult when you're in a tight space right here. There we go, we got the first one in. And now we're going to put our second optical drive back in. And now we're going to plug our cables back in. And now that we have those plugged back in, we can line up the holes to keep them in place. And now that we're getting the last screw back in to hold the optical drives, we can finally put the case back together. And now that we have the case back on, we can put the 2 remaining screws here right on the side. And that, my friends, is how you place an optical drive.